Hi, welcome to Brenda Beattie's Brushstrokes, and I'm Brenda Beattie. This channel is all about art. Drawing, painting with acrylics, watercolors, and ink. It has tips and tricks, as well as step-by-step tutorials. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell so that you'll be notified each time I create a new video. This video is the first in a series about watercolors. It's called The Beginner's Guide to Watercolor. This particular video is the first one. It's about supplies and equipment. I'm going to talk about the equipment and supplies that I will use in the series. I'll tell you about the minimum you need and about the quality of equipment that's out there and what you should, well, I'll make recommendations. And in the next video we'll learn about brush strokes, and then we'll do a painting using as many brush strokes as I can come up with. Each time, with each new video, I'll show you a new technique with watercolors, and then we'll do a painting with it. I'm a landscape painter, and I also paint flowers, so those will be the subject